and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're heading to the incredible land of India. From the majestic Taj Mahal to the colorful bazaars, it's a place that will blow your mind. But before you book your flight, let's talk about something important: avoiding tourist scams. Today, we'll guide you through the do's and don'ts to ensure your trip is memorable for all the right reasons. India is generally very safe, but there are a few things to be aware of. No worries, though. With a little know-how, you can navigate like a pro and have an amazing, scam-free adventure. So, grab your imaginary backpack and let's dive in. Alright, scam number 1. The fake guide. These folks might approach you at airports, train stations, or tourist spots, offering their services. Don't be pressured. Hire official guides with proper ID cards, or research reputable companies beforehand. Next up, the closed hotel scam. Your driver might claim your hotel is shut down. Don't panic. Call the hotel yourself, or tell the driver you'll find another way. This is usually a ploy to take you to a commission-based hotel. Beware of friendly overcharges. Taxis, rickshaws, and even shopkeepers might try to inflate prices. Be firm, agree on a fare up front, and use ride-hailing apps whenever possible. The gem scam is a classic. Someone might offer you cut-price gemstones that turn out to be fakes. Stick to reputable jewelers and get certificates of authenticity. When shopping, always haggle. Vendors may inflate prices for tourists, so don't be afraid to negotiate for a fair deal. And remember, if a deal sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Beware of overly friendly strangers offering to be your guide or take you to secret spots. They may lead you to tourist traps or scam you for money. Stick to official tour guides recommended by your hotel or trusted sources. When dining out, check the menu for prices and clarify any additional charges before ordering. Some restaurants might add hidden fees to your bill, so it's best to clarify up front. At tourist attractions, be wary of pickpockets and scammers posing as guides or ticket sellers. Purchase tickets from authorized booths or online to avoid falling victim to counterfeit tickets or inflated prices. When using public transportation, keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas. Be cautious of people offering unsolicited help with ticket purchases or directions. Lastly, safeguard your personal information and valuables. Use hotel safes for passports, cash, and other valuables, and be cautious when sharing personal information with strangers. Here are some bonus tips. Do your research. Learn about common scams in the areas you'll visit. Carry small change. Avoid flashing large bills, and bargaining can be fun, but be respectful. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Politely decline and move on. By staying vigilant and informed, you can protect yourself from falling victim to tourist scams and make the most of your journey through India. Remember, with a bit of caution, your adventure will be nothing short of extraordinary. India is full of honest, welcoming people. By being aware and using these tips, you can avoid scams and focus on the incredible experiences that await. Learn some basic Hindi phrases, smile, and embrace the vibrant culture. Thanks for watching. So, are you ready to explore India with confidence? Leave a comment below telling me which part of India you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, happy travels!